where we're headed, don't you?
I do. This is one of my favorite areas. It's Edmonds. It's a little town, but it's close to the city. We're by the water. We've got the ferry. We've got the shopping. We've got the great restaurants. And this is Kim's house. She is looking to sell her house. Sounds like a gorgeous location.
Yeah, because she's been trying to sell 6 months, so quite a while.
Wow. It's probably very...
Wrong way.
No, it's not. Why do you always think I'm going the wrong way?
Because you're horrible at directions, but now I see you're not.
This is beautiful.
Oh, I love this.
This is gorgeous.
It's like a little oasis.
Hi.
Hello, hello.
I'm Lyndsay.
Hi, Lyndsay.
Leslie.
I'm Kim.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you, Maureen.
Maureen.
This is my niece who came up from California to
hi.
kind of just be moral support for this.
Oh, that's so phenomenal. So, Kim, tell us a little bit about the house and...
Okay. It was built in 1953.
Okay.
It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It was smaller when I moved in. We added on a bedroom and a bathroom.
Oh, cool.
I've been here for 16 years.
Oh, wow.
And there is some urgency to sell. I retired in January.
Oh, congratulations.
And have a sort of mother-in-law unit built on to my daughter's home. So I'm anxious to get relocated.
And you had it on the market for 6 months?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it just
Didn't sell.
didn't sell.
Whoa. Oh, my goodness.
This view, this is why you come to Edmonds.
Yes.
You come to Edmonds for this feel.
It's and the sunsets here are just stunning.
I can't
They're
even
just
imagine.
beautiful. Oh, thank you.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I love these floors.
It's got a very, like, mid-century vibe to it.
Yeah, but
Well, 53, yeah.
Yeah.
You have a lot of really good character in here.
Tons of character.
With the French doors. Jinx.
Maureen, what do you think of the pink color?
It's not my favorite. I know you're very artistic, it's not.
From a buyer's perspective.
I think it needs to be more neutral.
I agree with you. They're extremely bold colors. And I love the bold colors and living with bold colors.
Yeah.
But not everybody's going to want that.
Exactly.
Let's see the kitchen.
All right.
Okay.
It's a little tight.
That was always one of my concerns with selling. It was, by myself, I don't need a lot of space, but a lot of people want a bigger kitchen or they want a different kitchen or updated kitchen.
And, oh, this isn't, it's not real brick.
Oh, it's not. I didn't know that.
Did you, Kim?
No, I always thought it was real brick. I didn't realize that.
Wait a second. I just told you this wasn't real brick?
Yes. So I've had faux brick and didn't even know it.
Oh my
16 years. For me, I think in here, more than it even being cramped, I feel a little disconnect from like the style, you know? Because you've got like Spanish, knockdown texture. It's just that consistency of picking a style and keeping it consistent throughout. It'd be nice to get some more countertop space in here as well.
Space next to the stove would be nice because you have nowhere to place things.
Yeah, I've always thought that was a drawback, not having counter space next to the stove. But I couldn't figure out how to do it reasonably.
I'd love to see bedrooms and bathrooms.
All right, let's do that. And this is what I use as my bedroom right now. Okay, this is the 3rd bedroom and 2nd bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
Corner shower.
Okay.
So I love that door.
That was the original front door because this was a carport when
really?
I bought it.
Interesting. So this is the remodel you did.
Right. My mom lived with me until she passed, and this was her room and her bathroom.
Oh.
Okay.
This could be our main bedroom.
With the ensuite, yeah. That is a huge selling point, and a lot of people do look for that.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So to enhance that a little in the bathroom would be money well spent. In your living room and throughout the house, we'd want to paint the walls and ceilings a new color, which is bright but neutral. We can add some tile around the fireplace, giving a nice modern focal point in that room. And finally, I would add some staging pieces that fit the mid-century modern style of your home. Right now, your kitchen feels cramped and doesn't have a clear design style. It feels like a few different styles thrown together. By installing new cabinets, flooring, and painting, we can give it a cohesive mid-century feel. And if we address the layout by moving the fridge, we should be able to add some more countertop space in there as well. So Kim, thanks for meeting us out here. We're super excited. You were trying to sell at $500 and you were not successful with that. So we could put in $40,000 and address the main areas that really we feel buyers are gonna be held up by. The kitchen, the main bathroom, and then really bringing the home back to what I feel like the style of the home was, which is that mid-century feel. We'd also repaint inside with a neutral paint color, do some landscaping out back, and add French doors from the dining room onto the back deck to really capitalize on your outdoor living space.
Okay, and you think you can do all that for 40? Is that?
We do. We feel really good about it. Once we put in that 40,000, we feel super confident that we'll be able to list your home and sell for $575. We would get back our $40,000 investment, and that would still leave $35,000 recouped from this house. We would split that 17.5, 17.5. So if you're comfortable with all of that, we're ready to move forward.
I'm just concerned about how long this is all gonna take, because I really need to get this on the market.
Yeah, so we would put in 40,000 at a 3-week turnaround. We're confident.
Okay, all right, yeah. I mean, you guys are so enthusiastic about it that it kind of helps.
All right. Awesome, well then we'll get it all over to you. We'll get the guys started and we'll move as quick as we can.
All right, well, thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. With a $40,000 budget, most changes here will be cosmetic, but we are really targeting the kitchen and main bathroom with substantial updates. So, in those rooms, we're tearing out everything to give us a clean slate. We told Kim we'd have her house done in 3 weeks, so things are flying on the job site. The back deck has been washed and stained a dark brown. Inside, we're revamping the bathroom shower with a new tile surround. And in the kitchen, we're trying to make the most of the limited space we have, so we're bumping out the wall and creating an alcove for the fridge, saving valuable real estate. The kitchen is really starting to come together. Oh my gosh, I think these are our black cabinets. Yes,
They turned out great.
Honestly, the dark is going to make this feel large because it's going to pop. Are we doing our half wall here? It's not going to be wall, it's going to be a see-through, more of like a screen.
Yeah,
okay, so
it's gonna be
what's that
really neat.
thing made out of?
Let me show you.
Okay. I came up with this design idea of a little feature wall that will help separate the living and kitchen a little bit more. It is all of these boards lined up top to bottom to create this visual screen that you can still see through to separate that space from this space. Like you would see in the, 50s, 60s homes. Yes. Yeah, exactly.
It's really going to be a solid wall. Every other one's missing-ish.
Exactly.
Right?
Progress is flying over at Kim's house, which is good because this project has a shortened schedule of just 3 weeks for renovations. With just a few days left, the crew is installing the white backsplash tile with dark grout in the kitchen, which is going to tie into the black cabinets. We have brass fixtures, which really add to that mid-century vibe. In the living room, we installed matte black subway tile above the fireplace in a herringbone pattern and built a partial wall made of stained wood beams, which will help create a separation between the dining and living space. Whoa! That turned out amazing.
That was your idea.
I know, but it is just gorgeous. I love the wood, too, with the knots in it.
Oh, it just turned out great.
I'm dying to see these floors. It is. We can see the... Wow. Oh. Holy, that's insane.
Bold and beautiful.
I'm really excited for them to get here. I'm a little nervous to see what Kim's gonna think.
I know, me too. Oh my gosh. I hear
Here
a car.
Hi. I feel like we just saw you.
I know.
Does it feel like it went fast?
Yeah. It did go fast.
Oh,
It
yay.
did go fast. I couldn't believe it.
We're super excited to show
So
you guys.
excited. This was one of our favorite projects. Okay, let's
guys
go.
ready?
Yes.
All right.
Here we go.
Gosh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is so different.
Yeah.
It's nice because there's like two separate little spaces now instead of just one.
In this room, our real goal was, we wanted to brighten it up. So we painted the ceilings. Wanted the fireplace to really be a focal point when you walk in the front door.
Yeah, that looks great.
And then we really wanted to find more than one kind of area in this room. Kim.
Well, I'm also noticing the French doors,
Yes,
which I really
so let's
like.
go check out that kitchen.
Okay.
Come on in.
Oh, goodness. Oh, I love the way you hid the refrigerator like
Yes.
that, where the door
nice.
used to be.
So look at how much room you have now to cook.
Oh, that was one of the most awkward things about this kitchen was there was no counter space
Yes.
around the stove. You got rid of all that texture that I never liked. Oh my
And
goodness.
I love this.
Yeah.
I like the color.
This looks great.
Awesome.
This, guys, was really important for me to do a dining space.
I really like that.
Yeah.
It feels much bigger than
Yeah.
it did before.
I want buyers to know they can
They
absolutely
can do it.
entertain
They can
here.
make it work, yeah.
Yeah.
And then just extend this living space out onto the back.
Well, this is going to be great in the
feel-
summer, too,
Oh, yeah.
to go out.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I always liked bringing the outside in. So.
Yes.
Yeah, it's great.
Well, we might as well go out since we're here.
This looks good.
We built this piece, and I just felt like it just went so well with the home and the style that we were trying to create here.
That's great.
Did you guys happen to notice that the tree in your neighbor's yard is just a little bit smaller?
Absolutely. I applaud you for being able to make that happen.
We call Leslie annoyingly persistent.
Hey, if it works, right?
Honey, it's a gift.
Yes.
It really is.
You done good, girl.
Thank you. All right, well, let's finish out this house.
All right.
All right, bathroom, guys.
Oh, look at the bathroom.
Yeah.
That's wild and crazy tile. Yeah, the whole bathroom looks good.
I'll check out the spare bedroom.
Oh, it's
Go on in. Here.
I love the shelves
Yeah.
and the TV. Okay, got TV room. There
That's
you go.
exactly what we did.
You guys want to see spare bedroom? I think this was your room.
That was my room.
This
Okay.
was.
Yeah.
Not a lot done in here other than paint, light fixture, and some light staging. It was a beautiful room to begin
It
with.
makes it very light again. And
Yes. Do you want to go to the main?
Yes.
Okay.
It is.
Can I check the bathroom first? Ooh, I
Yes.
love, now that tile I really
Yeah.
like.
Basket weave. Is
Oh,
that what
this
that is?
bathroom looks so nice.
Oh,
To come in and check it
the
out.
shower.
Yes.
Oh,
You guys fixed it.
yes.
That is so much better.
That is,
Well, remember before you got, it was like walls on the two sides. So
well, it was. It was very awkward.
and it was dark.
Yes.
It was
Yes.
kind of an obstacle before.
Yeah, no, it's so much better.
Yeah.